All right, guys, today I want to do a quick unboxing, review, and setup of my new iPhone 16 Pro Max tempered glass case. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. I just got my iPhone, so I want to make sure it stays protected. Let's go ahead and check out this case. Okay. Check that out right there. Very nice. So you can still do the magnetic charging right there. Then you also get screen protector for it as well. Check that out. Very, very cool. Well, let's go ahead and open it up, see how it actually works. So there are some instructions on here that you should follow. It says separate the casing from the rear, and then make sure that there's no screen protector on your phone. I do like it as a 360-degree full protective case. Like the whole phone will be covered, but not that new button that they put on there, the new addition to it. That part will be exposed, so that way you guys can use it. And then to open it, you just take it out from right here. All right. There we go. And then it does come with a cloth, so you can wipe down the case. So that way when you put it in there, that way there's no like dust or anything like that. It'll look nice and clean. I'll actually go ahead and remove this piece as well. So we'll go ahead and clean it. So it's a wet wipe. We'll do that one first. And then on the actual screen, it just tells you again to make sure that there's no other screen protector on there. All right. We'll wipe this part first. Make sure it looks nice and clean. All right. We'll go ahead and remove this piece as well. Everything is nice and protected by the time you get it, so that way it doesn't show up like scuffed or anything. We'll wipe this one down as well. All right, got the iPhone nice and clean. So then we'll go ahead and put it onto this part of the case. So you can see right up in there, nice and snug, secure. And then we'll just put it onto this piece now. All right. Just make sure it all snaps in place, which it just did. Oh, there it is. All the functions still work. Very nice. So it's got a screen protector in the front already. You don't have to worry about your screen getting scratched. So you don't have to go get another screen protector. That's freaking cool. And if this one does happen to get messed up, they sent you a second one in there. So that's really cool. You rarely ever get a second one on there. And they also gave you another cleaning cloth for it. So I'll go ahead and put this back in here just so it's all nice and safe and secure. Don't get it scratched up. Now this is like super heavy duty. I really like this case. Check that out. The whole phone is covered. Just yet, the camera is exposed, but like I said, it does have like a nice little layer right here. So if it does happen to land right here, it'll land on the case first. And the last cool thing that I wanted to point out about it was that it does still do the MagSafe charging. So if you just literally put it on there and it's good to go, still works really well. Magnets on there really good. So I did think that was a cool feature. Even though it's on the 360 protection, you can still use that MagSafe feature on there. All right, guys, so if you guys just got the iPhone 16 Pro Max, definitely look into this case. Like I said, 360 protection, No dirt's gonna get in there. It's got 3-layer protection for falls. My phone's gonna live in here basically. Like I said, it comes with an extra screen protector if this one starts to get gets damaged or anything. Just throw a new one on there. It still can use the MagSafe, which is one of the features that I did like. I've not experienced any issues so far with the touchscreen on there. So, like I said, if you guys are looking for a new 360-degree protection for your new iPhone 16 Pro Max, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.